open. Let's take that clockwise here. Let's rotate. Alright, so I got the new Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to swap out a garbage disposal here. It's real simple, really easy. It can be done about 10-15 minutes. So let's get started here. You unplug it first, and then you want to make sure you get some towels or even a small thin bucket here, so catch anything, any water dripping. We'll make sure the water is all off. Let's turn it off here. Even to the dishwasher here. So first I'm gonna unhook this here. Just using the standard wrench here. And then just gotta take that off. There's one more bolt in the back here. I'm gonna put the bolts somewhere so you won't lose it. So I put it all the way over there here. Then you might have to, if it doesn't slide off, you're gonna have to open this here. See what comes off. Okay, next, so loosen this up a little bit. I'm just gonna get it pops off here. Just grab it, pop out, rotate a little bit, but that much so it won't get in your way. And next, you loosen the connection to the dishwasher here. Just take a flat screwdriver, come clockwise here. Just loosen it up a little bit here. I think let's loosen it up. Pull it off. Pull it off just like that. And then just hang like that so the water won't come off. Okay. Or let's see here. The next, this thing's heavy, so I'm gonna put something down there to hold it when I rotate it. So I'm probably gonna use this box here. The new one came in. Kind of put it on there so when you rotate it, it comes off, and you can use both hands to rotate it, and one box can hold it so it won't drop on you and damage your cabinet here. So it's I'm gonna use this. You want a long screwdriver for good leverage here. Okay, so let me see how I'm gonna get this footage for you guys, since I'm gonna need two hands here. I'm gonna put the screwdriver in here, and I'm gonna push it clockwise. I'm gonna push it away from me. You see my arms? I'm gonna push away from me, and that should unlock it here. And it, like I stated earlier, it's heavy, so it's gonna come down, and it just slides right off of that. But let me see how I'm gonna get that footage for you here. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's on the box here, so see, just like that. Really easy. Okay. But yeah, it just slides on here. You see that, and the new one, you just put back and you do counterclockwise. You turn it counterclockwise. Now the key to replacing these, you want to buy similar style ones so they can be installed easily. Because of course they have all kind of different kind that if you install them, they don't fit. You're gonna have to get different piping and fittings. I went with a similar style, so everything would just go right back into place without any adjustment on the buying new pipes or fittings or anything. Yeah, see I knocked it out. Let's see. Yeah, I knocked it out. So you want to grab that piece up too. Make sure you grab it out. But yeah, that's what it is. And then you can install it now. If you leave that in there, the dishwasher would not drain. All right, so I got the new garbage disposal out. So what you're trying to do is, you see these channels on there. Those channels, that's what you want to go on here. Let me just see if you can see it with the light. That channel is supposed to slide onto there, and you want the lower end. You can see the lower end, how it arches down. You want these channels to go into the low end, so when it goes on, it slides counterclockwise on there, and then it should be really easy for you. So I would try to get those aim onto there, and don't get confused with these. These are to tighten it up with a tool or your screwdriver, long screwdriver. So let's get this here. Let's put it on. So again, I'm trying to, that channel, trying to put on there, and then just rotate counterclockwise, and then you want to tighten it with your screwdriver so it won't leak. See that, but I got the screwdriver in like that, and just rotate it like that, just pretty tight enough. Now you straighten this back out so it will line up with the hose and pipe here. Rotate it. So now I'm gonna rotate this to line up perpendicular 90 degree, but when you do it, you don't want to rotate this, so make sure you rotate, and it's not rotating. You see I'm rotating, but the seals up there, or the connector is not rotating. So that's about a little bit more. Okay, and that's it. Now you just put everything back on. Okay, so I got everything lined up. Now I'm just gonna put everything back on. Let's see here. Make sure that seal sits in there correctly. You know it won't leak. Okay. So make sure the seal leaks in it. The seal is actually sitting there good. And I'm gonna put the dishwasher connector back on, hose connector. All the way. Tighten up, so if you use it and then comes off, will get messy down here. Okay, that's tight. Now tighten this back up. Tighten this back up pretty good. And the last one we have to tighten up is this. Put the bolts back in. Get a close up view for you here. Plug it in. I'm gonna run water. Okay. So I plugged it in. I'm gonna run water to it. Make sure that nothing leaks. Test it out. Okay. So I turn the water back on there. Check the leaking here and especially here. Cool.